Hello and welcome. I'm here at the Tesla store in Matthews, North Carolina. I'd like to show you a little bit about the Tesla experience. Take a look around the lot here. Man, you look here and you go, man, oh man, where are all the cars? Well, I'm going to show you a few of the cars that are here, and I'll explain why you don't see very many cars. Now, what's really interesting about Tesla here at the Tesla store are all the cars that are actually here in the lot, or I would say the majority of them, maybe except for 5 or 6, are actually owned and purchased by customers. Let's talk about that a minute. The cars here in this section of the parking lot are cars that have just come off transport. They're still having a lot of them with their protective stuff on it. Inside of the cars are all protected, and they're getting ready for preparation for delivery to the customer. What separates Tesla is that you're looking at all sold vehicles. These vehicles were ordered online. There's no dealerships or places you go and buy them. You go on your phone and order it online. Designate where you want your car to be delivered, and it gets delivered at the place you tell it. These are located here in Matthews, North Carolina, and they're going to be prepped and delivered to the customers that own these cars. Let's have a look in the back of the lot. In this section of the lot are more customer purchase cars. These cars have been purchased online and are sent to their designated pickup point, which here is Matthews, North Carolina at the Tesla store. They come in like this off transport. These cars come in on a truck, no doubt. They have protective film on critical areas. If we look closely here, we can see that we've got paperwork, state inspections, the required sticker. We've got protective film on all of the different places that could get scratched when handling. So these cars then are washed, cleaned up, and prepared for the customer that has purchased it online to come and pick it up here at the store. At the designated date and time, the customer shows up here in Matthews, North Carolina at the Tesla store and picks up his or her car and drives it off. There's no haggling with salesmen or anything. The car will be ready as advertised. You come, inspect it, and get in it and drive it home. That's how it works here at Tesla. So let's say you want to come to the store here and test drive one of the Tesla models. The store has cars ready to do that in all vintages from Model X, Model S, Model Y, and Model 3s. There's a couple of ways you can do a test drive here at Tesla. There's a model of each type generally you can test drive. The best way, of course, is give the store a call and schedule a test drive, or you can just drop in, talk to the salespeople, and if the schedule is empty, they'd be happy to show you each one of the vehicles and let you drive them. Tesla does have a showroom, as you see here. The cars generally are in the showroom, but as late with all of the stuff going on, they now keep the cars outside for test drives for customers. Here, located in Matthews, North Carolina, is not only the Tesla store, but it's also the service center. If there's any issues with the car, you can bring it here, schedule it on your app that you have with your car, take your car in, they'll service it and get it back to you. If something needs to be serviced on your vehicle, you don't have to bring it to the Tesla service center. Using your app, you can schedule a mobile service technician to come to your home or office to do whatever maintenance on your vehicle at your location. This keeps you from having to drive to the Tesla store Maybe you're busy, maybe you just can't, the kids have soccer, whatever it is, the Tesla mobile people will come and service your car at your home or at your work. Of course, if there's something major, they may send a rollback to get your vehicle if it's seriously damaged. Maybe you broke a suspension part by driving into a pothole or something, and then they will be brought here to the service center. I hope you like this video about the Tesla experience. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.